Hey there and welcome to the channel. I've got my 5x8 chicken tractor that we're going to be using in a couple of days as an outdoor brooder. What I'm going to show you all today is something that everybody who's ever had a chicken tractor has had trouble with. When you have your chicks in and it's time for you to move and they're young and they haven't been trained yet, and you go to pull that, every time you're going to have a chicken or a chick, because you're up front and they get scared and run to the back, that you're going to accidentally pull the board over. If you've had a chicken tractor, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you a quick hack. Bring your chicken tractor up, and right here on the back side, you have a lip. And right here is where your chicken or your chick gets its legs stuck when you pull it, okay? Here's a quick little fix. This is nothing more than a hose from an old washing machine drain pipe. And I got this, and here's what we're gonna do. Just measure the bottom of your piece here at the length that it needs to be. I'm gonna go about right here. All we're gonna do is take the trusty hacksaw. We're gonna make a really quick cut of that. Look at that. Look at that. Now, I have a couple of very, very primitive screws that were left over from something. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to do nothing more than just screw these in. Get them started. Run this through. Up. Run this through. Push. Okay, there's one. You want it kind of loose. It does not have to be all that tight, because all you really want it to do is be able to hold that chick. We have gone ahead and we've screwed in another one here. So we've got one here in the middle, and one on this side. What I want to show you all is it's just a little bit lower, but it's flexible. And those chicks are standing here. This is going to be what they're going to bump up against instead of this board. This is going to be great. It works every time. Now let me tell you this, we're getting ready to build a 10x12 instead of this 5x8. When I do the 10x12, and here's something to think about, don't do a small hose like this. Do a corrugated, I think they're what, 3-4 inch, the corrugated that everybody uses. This piece right here. In fact, we've got a piece right here we do for our drain pipes. When you do your larger ones, use one of that. Barely have it hanging on, and all it's going to do is bump your chickens, and you're not going to ever have to worry about losing any of them. Hope this helps you out a lot. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave it in the comments below. I've done this more than once, and it works every time. Give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends to subscribe. Have a great day.